hand and to please. There's a ribbon in the sky for our love.
What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am out here in Clifton, New Jersey. You guys know I'm in the New Jersey, New York area, highlighting some of our customers' installations, as well as our preferred partner, Wire Ninjas. If you guys need anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping in the lowest price guaranteed, as well as a free design service. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. I'm gonna take you into this house right here and show you what was done. I hope you guys are ready. Let's go! All right, guys, I got my preferred partner, Wire Ninjas, here, and this is Jose. He is gonna tell you what we are about to see in this space. He is the local pro on the streets, literally.
Hey, what's up, guys? Jose, Wire Ninjas here. We're gonna take you inside, check out this 5.1 theater we built. It's featuring 5 speakers in wall, as well as a nice borderless screen and an Epson 4050 projector. Let's go take a look.
All right, guys, so the whole point of this channel is so that you guys find inspiration and things that you can do in your own space. And big thanks to everybody that has us out into their home. We really appreciate it. With COVID going on, it's really risky business, honestly. So thanks for having us out. This customer's name is Alex. We really appreciate you. So you're coming in right here off the street into like a basement, which is really common. If you guys are following the channel, you'll know that I was out in Virginia, DC, Washington, as well as Maryland, and everything's in the basement. So again, on the East Coast, that's what you got. And that's what's so cool about me traveling around and checking out all these different locations, is that you're not just seeing Texas houses with all of those second floor cookie cut theaters. You're seeing some real life situations. And the reason Jose's business is named Wire Ninjas is because here on the East Coast, it's not easy getting wiring into place. But these guys know what they're doing, and they are 5-star rated. They believe in that same service that we provide to all of our customers. All right, guys, let's get in here and check this thing out. All right, I'm gonna turn a little light on so you guys can see what's happening in here.
What's up?
We got the Wire Ninjas.
Yeah, so check it out. This is our theater. We got an Epson 4010 driving the video.
Okay.
We got a nice borderless screen here. This is from Elite Screens. We do an LED kit in the back. We have the Bose in-wall speakers, the 891s. We got a Polk audio sub in the corner. That's your Bose, very nice in-wall.
Nice. Could you take the grill off for me so we can show it to the customers? So everything that you see in our videos, not only what you see in our videos, but all the major manufacturers, but specifically what you see in our videos, we sell these products, guys, and we would love the opportunity to sell you these products at the lowest price guaranteed and the nationwide free shipping. So check these bad boys out. These are part of the VI line, I believe.
Yep, virtually invisible. You are correct.
And you can see that Elite Screens is performing pretty well with the super bright lumen output of this 4010. You're sitting at 2400 lumens.
He's got his party light up there.
You got the party light up here. Yep.
Yeah,
And then you guys got the Chief mount on top there. You guys, we do sell everything. So when you call in, we're going to provide the mount. We're going to provide the projector. I mean, literally everything that you see in these videos, as well as the installation, we can help you with. Now, there is another model that you guys may want to look at, and that's the Epson 4050. Yep. Same specifications as this unit here. You got 400,001 contrast, 2400 lumens, but it comes with the projector mount, a spare bulb, and an extra year warranty, so 3 years on it. And we got the sub over here. Polk audio sub. And
True audio in the ceiling there. You got the grill off here.
Got the True audio speakers back here.
This is a good example. Not every room's perfect, but we can make it work.
Exactly.
We wanted this to be in line with the front speaker. So it's very important that we achieve that. You know, we didn't want to offset the symmetry and the aesthetics on everything.
This is cool.
Good sound.
Check this out, guys. Give you a little inspiration. I mean, the size of this room is actually really small, but it feels decent, and it has a really nice layout. Like, you could entertain down here and hang out with your buddies.
Dude, you gotta see the parties they throw down here.
Oh yeah? Do they get crazy?
Up, man. They fill it up. It is great.
Yeah, he's got the popcorn machine and everything. Yeah, so I mean, this is what's so cool about me visiting the East Coast is like a space like this, some people in Texas wouldn't even think, they just leave it as attic space. Yep. But look at this cool area we got. You even got the old school pane window. Yep. You got your movie stuff up here on the wall. Yeah, and that leads right into the garage, and then they got the upstairs, which is probably their main level over there.
And a simple touch, but you know, we threw in these light switches. It's something he wanted. They're really nice. They give the room, you know, a little bit extra.
Yeah, so that's just one of the things that you can get with Wire Ninjas. I mean, these guys are pros on the streets. I mean, they can literally put the whole room together for you and make it into the experience that you're looking for.
Check it out. These are really cool. See, look at me sliding the dimmer up and down. Really cool stuff. So the dimmer is that actual light bar. It's really nice.
Nice. Yeah, I love how you got the LEDs up underneath the seating. You got the LEDs back there behind the bar. Really gives off a nice visual appearance.
Look at this. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
I mean, this is the party room.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the giant Jenga going on. Sweet. Yeah, so you guys got to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing a demo of this system as well, showing it off and actually playing some content. So make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Now, if you would like to purchase anything, make sure to reach out and show your support. Where is this job at?
Clifton, New Jersey.
Clifton, New Jersey. This is Wire Ninjas here, my preferred partner on the streets, and they are the 5-star top pros in the area and can get any wiring needs done, as well as help you out with really any complexity of job. I mean,
video, data, anything. We do a lot of local area and Wi-Fi networks as well.
Yeah, so we got you covered on all fronts, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative as well as inspirational and something that you can do in your own home. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater with Jose from Wire Ninjas. Thanks for watching, guys. What a cool guy. Big thanks, Alex, for having us into your home. That was really fun to meet you. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.